Guys, welcome back to my channel. I am super excited to show you guys how I get this long braid look. I've done it a couple times. I've recently discovered this and I couldn't be happier because I just think it's such a cute and simple and fast change of look, I guess you could say. And the best part, this is not like the clip-in extensions or anything like that, but it is not expensive. So I'm going to go ahead and show you guys how to do this look, and I have provided all of the the link to these extensions below, so you guys can go ahead and just check it out in the description box. Yeah, so if you guys want to see how you get this look, go ahead and keep on watching. What are you going to need for this look? Little thin brush and this right here. Also, you're going to need 2 hair ties and gel. I use the Tresemme gel. It says Mega Sculpting Gel for all hair types. They look a little bit weird and messy because I've actually used it a couple times now. Twice. I used it twice. But you could just brush it. It's completely fine. And it has these little, I don't know if you can see it, like a little net, and then these little clips you could just kind of hook on your ponytail. You could use it as a ponytail as well. I prefer doing as a braid just because my hair is not as long as this. Okay guys, I am very ready to get it started, so let's go ahead and begin this process.
Alright guys, so ouch, that really hurt. Please use a brush. Do not do what I did, but brush your hair out first. Then go ahead and gather your hair for a ponytail, very slicked back. That's done. After you're done doing that, just go ahead and place some gel on it. I like this one because it doesn't leave your hair very sticky or really hard. And you could just redo it, the next day or anything like that. So really like it. Also try to brush your ponytail once you're done, just very lightly to be very smooth. Then just grab the extension. I'm placing it over my actual ponytail, and that there we go, the piece of hair. Just wrap it around so it covers the extension and your hair tie so you won't see it. And okay, I'm just adjusting it, but yeah, just go ahead and do that. Grab a bobby pin, clip it in so it could all be placed together. And there we go. After you are all done doing that, go ahead and section your hair off into 3 pieces. As you could tell, my hair was tangled. I brushed it, but that's just the way my hair is. If you guys might not have the problem, or you might, but I still made it work. And boom, I'm starting to do my braid. At this point, you're basically almost done. And then just finishing off my braid, getting that hair tie. You guys might want to use a thinner one. And I go over it with that little comb thing again and put some more gel over it. Any bumps that you guys see, make sure you put a bobby pin on it, and you will be pretty much done. And boom, that is the finished look, guys.
Kind of getting the vibes of like Laura Croft type of thing. Ooh, that could be a cool Halloween costume. I'm very excited for Halloween. I just thought I'd throw that in there because I just thought about Laura Croft, as I just said right now, and now I'm thinking about Halloween and outfit ideas, and actually I'm super excited. I have provided all the links down below. You guys can go ahead and check that out. If you guys liked it, go ahead and give it a thumbs up, and thank you guys so much for watching. I truly appreciate you guys. And yeah, so I'm super excited to show you guys other videos or other things that tutorials and whatnot of just things that I like to do. So yeah, thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, and I will see you guys very soon. Lovely, so mwah.